Ebi byona bagambirwa mu kanso ya district ya Sheema bwanyuma ya TV West okushohoza amakuru gokoreka ngo akakiiko ka Sheema District Service Commission kakahereza abantu emirimo batakozire interview.
Harimo issues eziriyo mu education, harimo issues eziriyo mu health na no mu finance. Eti point nyine advert ariho post ya military advertised, but people were shortlisted.
Umapa interviews buri muntu owandika bamutanga for public consumption. Buri mwari babashira naba kunije nasho morasha ngitaro kuri kajarata ngakwa imfitega nsabana. Echare dire batabateka hano subodi niki kashabeshimura chobashyo.
Bakansara bagarukire batarika bakakiiko okubagambira habwenshi bayanjire ku advertising emirumemwe ningashi kugirangisa ngo konka baronda abantu ababo.
Increasing suspicion bikiretera abantu kutekateka Service Commission yakakora kandi ushanga cyo bagenderiye.
Mukuru w'abakozi ahabwa Sheema District orubanjo rartira hamahandici w'akakiiko ka Service Commission bito bakansara bagira ngo nuwe aine kuba namubinga.
Mwana Mr. Speaker walakawa yatigamachi nkwenda kuzibitiro hano bakwaleta w'umushomakuzi ntubaza kutandika na hati abakakiiko akakarikatirikasi kugira ngo hano twagira twamuzibitira.
Now, as a council, we don't have that mandate of forming a committee. We have committees who have actually showed their concern and they have brought all those concerns to the council. We were here, or we are here, to hear what transpired.
DC ayongere yagambira bakansara ngo muhandici w'akakiiko bamucendereza amapapa. Orukura akakiiko ka Sheema District Service Commission Jane Mpaji ashabire bakansara ikiganyiro ari kugira ngo ekabe nshobi.
Of mistaken identity, in particular of similar names of some two applicants for the position of the education assistant too. Good enough, the error was discovered.
Aho bakabura ingano mukuru rafayo nabachine. Fayire nje ne bakwezesa. Ahakura za ku interviewinga. Namwashanza amazina generation
ambassador betungura agizire ngo office ya karishorisho ningash IGG yatandikira kucondoza akakiiko akarukugabe emirimo mu Sheema.
Afomu zenze numanya ngo applicants nibabatire wese umuzabo. Okay? Now, what I can't rule out, and what we are trying to study and investigate is an issue of connivance.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Michael atwakire.